Good morning, wenches. So I just got back from an awesome trip. It was so much fun. Just a few days up in the high mountains, and I knew driving back, I was like, "Oh man, I'm gonna have to put my car up on that new jack and um, make sure everything's tightened up because I went over some pretty bad roads. I was careful, but still. Anyway, so I came out this morning to go to the farmer's market. Car wouldn't start. I was like, no. So I decided to just do a little troubleshooting, even though I'm tired. And anyway, but I was doing it, and of course, my brain is spinning to absolutely the worst things that could be going on because I'm tired. But in the end, I I thought I'm gonna check the fuses, and I did, and the one I everything I thought was looking okay, but then I thought, you know what, I'm gonna check every single fuse. I have 3 fuse boxes, and I went to go check the ones under the steering column, and while I was looking at them to make sure they were not blown, oh, they weren't blown, no, but they weren't in the they were the wrong amperage, I think is what they are, in some of the wrong places. So I took out a few that I knew I didn't need, like to get the car starting, like the horn, and it put where the push button start is. I put the right fuse in there, and also I think that was the only one. I'll have to look. Anyway, totally worked, and I'm kind of irritated about the whole thing because, one, maybe I should have checked that, and two, I actually thought I did check all that when I had my key reprogrammed, because stupid keys, right? A while back, and I don't know, but the point is, the wench has wrenched, and I still need to put the car up and get all the rattles out of the way because 100% I knocked some stuff loose, and go through and also get all the dirt and rocks out of there because, as we know, that kind of stuff can really screw things up. Y'all take care, keep wrenching, and enjoy the fall weather. Bye-bye.